All right, welcome to JavaScript Programming for Everyone. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com and I'll be your instructor today. In this video, I want to spend just a couple of minutes talking about what you can expect going forward in this course. So JavaScript is just awesome. It's used for so much these days in the modern internet, and especially for front-end web development, it's just incredibly important. So we're going to start out learning basic computer programming concepts. So we're going to look at things like variables, math, numbers, if-then statements, conditional statements, comparison operators, basic things like loops and arrays, and just computer programming type things. And the things that you'll learn will translate to just about any programming language. You know, all programming languages have variables, they all have loops, they all have arrays, and we'll learn how to do those things with JavaScript. After that, we'll spend a little bit of time learning how to use JavaScript on a web page, how to change text, how to do pop-ups and things like that. And then at the end of the course, we're going to put it all together and make this fun little flashcard app. It doesn't look like much, but you're going to see it has a whole lot of stuff going on. So we can enter answers, we can do some basic error handling. Oh, hey, that's not even a number. We can refresh the screen, and you can see, you know, we're modifying stuff on a web page without refreshing the web page. Very JavaScripty type of thing, right? So that's pretty much how the course is going to go. It's going to be quick, just, you know, a couple hours. You're going to have a really good foundation of JavaScript, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's dive right in and start learning some JavaScript. That's what you're here for. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. In the next video, we're going to look at the tools that we need for this course. We just basically need a text editor that we can type stuff in, and I give you a bunch of free options there if you don't have one already. So that'll be the next video.